Well, hello, new friends. Welcome to my home. My name is Mansa. And today, guys, I want to start off this channel with an unboxing of my new MacBook Pro. Yes, guys, this is going to help me a lot with my editing. This computer is going to be strictly for my channels, this channel and Mansa Queen, which is my cooking channel. So you want to stick around and unbox this beauty with me. Welcome back, guys. So here we are. This is my new baby. This is my newest addition to my YouTube journey right here. And I just got it. As you can see, it is still intact. I have not even opened it. I decided to unbox it with you guys. This is a 13-inch MacBook. And like I mentioned in my intro, I plan on using this just for my business, for my channels, editing my videos, and also for my African print business, because I do run a website for that as well. I would put the link in the description box. You can check it out, and also my handle on Instagram. So these are the specifications of the one that I got. Okay, so the MacBook has an 8 gig memory, and I picked the one that has a 512 gig storage. I definitely need more storage, but the higher the storage, the more expensive it is going to be. And this package alone on its own was about $1,500 before tax, so it definitely adds up. But I do plan on getting an external hard drive, maybe a 2 terabyte, so that's going to help with storage. So this is what it looks like straight when I took it out of the box. And guys, it is so sleek. I'm an Apple girl all day every day. We own several Apple devices in our house, from our phones to iMacs and all of that. I will show you guys in a second, but this is what it looks like. The packaging is so sleek. I love it. If you're familiar with Mac, you know that they're very lightweight. It's very lightweight, and I went with the silver. I prefer the silver to the space gray. Now, I love gray. My house is painted in gray, but space gray is just not a good color when it comes to devices. So right here off the bat, you can see the Apple logo. Unlike the older MacBook, it does not light up. So this right here in the box, I have I believe this is the charger. Yes, this is the cord for the charger right there. Oh, I'm really loving this. I think this is my first time buying it brand new, because my husband bought the other ones. So yeah, but hey, it comes with the growth. There comes a time in your life where you gotta buy your own stuff, okay? That's funny. But yeah, so I just opened it and it's already loading on its own. I did not do anything. And guys, this is so sleek, and the difference is so glaring. Like, I can actually tell the difference between this one and the other MacBook that we have at home right now. So I'm not gonna do the setting, on camera, of course, but I'm just picking the language, and then I would do that off camera. But yeah, this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Of course, I live in the United States, so that is my location. Let me show you guys the other MacBook that we have at home. My husband uses this for his business and his personal stuff as well. So I just figured I would get another one where I would have a lot of storage. That way, if we both need to work on stuff, it would not we will be able to do it at the same time if I have another one for my business. So yeah, this is the iMac that we have. I've been using this to get into my studio, get into my analytics, and just do my thing on my channels. I've also used it for work when I work from home before I got a regular work computer. So yeah, I'm an Apple girl like I mentioned. And this is my new addition and I absolutely love it. I will probably go back to get an iPad. I'm not sure. My only problem with this in my channels is that it does not support the current editing app that I use, which is KineMaster. So I would probably have to buy Final Cut Pro, which is about $300 for the license. I mean, it's okay. It's an investment. I think it's a one-time payment for maybe 5 years or so, 5-6 years, if I'm not mistaken. But KineMaster can only be supported on mobile devices like a phone or an iPad. So it would not work on my MacBook. So which means that I have to get a new editing app. For now, I am using DaVinci Resolve, which is free. But I do have my reservations on that. You know, with the fact that I do have a cooking channel and I have kids, so sometimes when I'm cooking, I have to mute stuff and go in and do a voiceover, and then I want to show, I want to leave the cooking sounds on. It just does not support multiple audio tracks. But this is not what this video is about. This video is about my MacBook, okay? Let's leave all of that technical stuff out of the way. So, one feature that I really like in this one that we don't have in our older one is the touch bar. Yes, the smart touch bar. I love it. It's so sleek. I can control most of my basic settings that way. And this one, as you can see, does not have that. It has regular keys that you can use to dim your light or increase your volume and all of that, while this one has the touch screen. And I can also unlock my my MacBook using my finger. This Touch ID basically just has this embedded fingerprint sensor in it. That way you bypass using, typing an actual password to open it. The other one does not have. So those are just features that I can see off the bat that has it, that this one has, while the other one does not have it. So my husband is being jealous right now, but he'll be fine. So this is I'm about to throw it out of the window. There you go. No, I did not throw it out of the window. We don't want that. Yes, guys, I'm excited with my new gadget. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my settings, set it up a little, and I'll be right back. And here we go. This is what it currently looks like. Since I filmed this video, of course, I have changed it because you're currently seeing Mansa Queen, which is my other channel. When I just got this, I had not even started this channel, but I knew I was gonna start it. And yeah, I have set it up, and my background is my channel theme, which is Mansa Queen, which is basically I have the same color schemes, just that this one has the teal and the grays, while Mansa Queen has the teal and the pink. But yeah, if you have not subscribed to my other channel, please do so. I do a lot of cooking and also some cooking hacks. Yes, I love cooking hacks. Anything that makes my life easy, I'm all about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with me. Let me know what works for you. What do you use to edit your videos, as far as devices, as far as storage and all of that. I have not yet bought my external hard drive, but I'm gonna do that. I have 512 gig storage, so it's not about to get filled up very soon. But yeah, as you can see, I can get on Facebook and all of those apps through the touch bar, and I am loving it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until I catch you in my next one, stay safe. I love you all. And guess what? I want you to hold your families tight, love on them while you have them, and above all, have fun in that home. My home, my happy place, at home with Mansa.